Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to share something a bit personal but hopefully helpful for those of you who are aspiring to join the Amazon Influencer Program. So, as the title says, as you see my video, I was denied as an Amazon influencer. And I want to unpack what happened and what I've learned. So, if you are thinking about applying or have been in a similar situation, stick around and let's talk about it. All right, so I have a short story for you guys. So, if you are already an Amazon influencer, then let me know down the comment. So, if you are not yet and you are planning to become an Amazon influencer like me, I tried to become an influencer and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. But the bad news is I was denied as an Amazon influencer, and here is why. All right, so let's rewind a bit, guys. For those who are unfamiliar, the Amazon Influencer Program allows creators like us to earn commissions by sharing their favorite products through custom storefronts. Okay, they're going to give you a store where you can share the products that you want to promote. So it is an amazing opportunity if you already have a following or love sharing recommendations. So naturally, I thought, why not give a shot? Because I have a YouTube channel, I have my TikTok platform, Facebook, Instagram, uh, those social media platform that I I have my account. So I'm thinking about why not, give a shot and apply for an Amazon influencer program. So the application process seems simple enough. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it, and maybe you can try. Maybe I was denied, but maybe you're not. Okay, so just try it, guys. So you all you have to do is just to provide the details about your social media. So they're gonna review your content, your engagement, and followers to determine if you are qualified or good for it. But I heard about it doesn't matter how many followers you have. Some people they don't really have many followers, like just hundreds or things like that, but they get approved. But there are some people who are thousands of followers who was denied, like me. So I'm going to show you guys how you can apply to become an Amazon influencer to sign up to their program. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how I do it inside of Google. Okay, go to Google and then just type here. There you go. Amazon influencer sign up. Click this one, and as you see here, sign up for the Amazon influencer program. Just click this one, and then it will show you this their homepage. So here you will see the sign up, and you can read this one, monetize your content with Amazon influencer program. So as you see here, we give you the tools you need to select the best Amazon products and services that easily recommend them to your followers so that you can earn commissions. And here are the steps. You can build your storefront. This is once you approve, okay? Once you got approved, then now you can build your storefront. You can create content to recommend those products, and then you can earn commission if somebody bought it or click the link that you provide. So to sign up, all you're gonna do is just to click this sign up. Okay, and then here you will see you can choose the account that you have there in Amazon. If you don't have an account, then you can create a new account. If you have your existing account, then you can use your existing account, or if you still have other account, you can use another account. Okay, so if you're already part of Amazon Associates program, use your existing associate account. I am a part of this Amazon Associates program. There are two associates program and this influencer program. So since I'm already inside of Amazon Associates program, uh, I want to apply to become an influencer also. So I did it. And what I did is I use my existing account. So once you are have an account, there you go. You have an Instagram, you have a YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. And this is check your eligibility. Okay, so if you are eligible to to become an influencer program, there are 4 platform here that you can submit to them so that they can review it. Choose one of the public social media accounts where you have most influence, example followers, like, and etc. So here you go. So I heard about TikTok. All right, TikTok is the easy platform that when you submit it, you got approved. Okay, so I applied for TikTok. So if you want to apply for TikTok, it's all up to you. You can use your YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. So I click TikTok, and then you have to sign up or you have to go to your account. Okay, go to your account for TikTok, and let's wait for seconds. So now there you go. See, thank you for applying. We appreciate your interest in Amazon Influencer Program. Unfortunately, your account does not meet the eligibility requirements at this time. Okay, so that means that I was denied. Okay, now I try again another one. Let's go back, and I tried my YouTube. Okay, I tried my YouTube. I signed up with my YouTube, and then they're gonna tell you this and this, or where you're gonna sign up. So you sign up, go to your YouTube, and then you will see what's gonna happen. So I also use my YouTube platform, and that's what they got. Thank you for applying. We appreciate your interest, but you're not eligible. So I'm a little bit disappointed, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Maybe me was denied, but maybe you will get approved. Go to Amazon Influencer Program, and then all you have to do is just to once you get into this, so you're gonna have your storefront. I cannot show you this, guys, because I was denied. Then after that you will going to create a content for those products, and then after that you will earn commissions. This is for influencer program. For Amazon Associates program, where I am in, you don't need to create a content. All you have to do is just to, yes, you can make a content, but you have to put your link for the products that you are promoting, things like that. Just a little bit difference. Try for yourself if you got approved or you got denied, like what I like what I so, but that's okay, guys. At least you try your best. Maybe this time I was denied. Maybe when I try some other time, maybe I'm gonna get approved. So what went wrong? Here's what I think, guys. The reason number one why I might have been denied is engagement over follower count. What I mean is, first, I realized that Amazon doesn't just care about your follower count. It doesn't matter how many followers do you have. I had a decent number of followers, but maybe my engagement wasn't strong enough. So if your audience isn't actively, liking, commenting, or interacting in your content, that might be one reason why you might get a denied with your content. So Amazon might see it is a red flag. Number two, niche matters. We create content based on our niche, and uh, niche plays a big role in Amazon. My content might not have aligned with what Amazon sees as a good fit for their program. They likely prioritize, niches that are product heavy, like technology reviews, things like that, unboxing, product, beauty tutorials or home organization, things like that. So my channel, my content, it's not more on that topic. So that's the number two reason that I'm thinking about is the niche matters. The number three reasons that I might think I was declined was quality of content. I'll admit my content wasn't as polished as it could be. I think Amazon wants to see a consistent style, clear visuals, and professional quality post. So if your content looks like, rush or inconsistent, it might hurt your chances to get qualified or get approved into this influencer program. Next thing that I might think about, I was declined number four reason is platform specific metrics. Finally, different platforms have different standards. For instance, Instagram requires consistent post with high engagement, while YouTube might look for longer form content or videos that meaningful views and subscribers. My strongest platform might not have been the one Amazon valued the most. So that's are some reasons that I'm thinking about I was declined by Amazon. All right, so that's all for today's guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like and uh, value this video, please let me know down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for all my supporters, always, thank you so much for watching my video and for supporting my channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye for now.